Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to run two applications or two apps at once on one screen, you can do a split screen, or you can split the screen and display two apps at once, and you can run both apps easily without being disturbed by each other. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first, now you can go to recent button, and then now you can click the icon of apps like this, and then now you can click open in split screen view. And after that, now you can choose any apps to split with. And so yeah, here's the result. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to split screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. And thank you so much for watching guys.